Hey guys, welcome back to the Art of Craftsmanship. My name's Dustin, and today we are in the shop and we are brought to you in beautiful 4K. Thanks to our patrons on Patreon who have helped us to get our new camera, which you'll see all the new videos will be on. Super excited to do that. And today we're just here. We just finished up filming the new logo for the 2021 year, which is here. Have everything set out, and we just thought it'd be really fun to chat with you a little bit and just let you know kind of what we've been through in the last year and what we're going to do in the next year. So 2020 was a crazy year, and 2021 is going to be super exciting. In 2020, we started out with some really exciting videos. We did the Knife Talk Build Along, which then kind of opened us up into the community a little bit more. And because of that, we were reached out and invited to join the Makery Network and started the Art of Craftsmanship podcast. So that's been super fun. I know it's been great to be part of that community and to be able to reach out and talk with my brother Devin a little bit behind the camera and have that kind of conversation about videos and talk to makers and really become part of the maker community. So we hit 1 million views on our bushcraft axe video, which is super exciting. That was our first video to hit 1 million views. And we had 100,000 subscribers in 2020 just before Christmas. And we just finished filming, doing our logo for the new year, and also doing a live stream to do the unboxing for our silver plaque, which is the 100,000 subscriber plaque. Super exciting. You know, it's something that when we first started the channel, we wanted to make some videos that looked a little bit different, felt a little bit different, and were a little bit more personal. Looked a little bit nicer than what we had seen on YouTube. And something like this wasn't really in our radar, but we're really excited to get here, and we're excited that you guys appreciate what we're doing, and we're ready to push out some more videos in 2021. Some of the things we're going to do in 2021 is that we're going to do more knife videos. I love making knives, and I know you guys will like watching knives, so we'll do some new kind of funky knives, and then some old, standard bushcraft knives, ones that I love, some carving knives, all sorts of fun stuff like that. Also more axe videos. I'm a huge axe junkie and I love axes. I collect them. I have tons of axes around, and I've got a few really exciting ones to be able to do some restorations, make some handles, and bring some of those axes back to life in videos for you guys. Also, some of the things that we're going to do, we'll be doing some more woodworking. We'll be doing some leather work as well as, and then, kind of whatever happens. I'm always kind of writing down ideas for videos, and so some things end up being a little funky and some things work really well, like our leather sewing machine video, which we just put out. That was exciting, so we're going to put some, do some more projects with that as well. Another great thing we really want to do, and this is something that we wanted to do from the very beginning, was to go out and visit with more makers. Now, obviously, this will depend on whether or not we can actually get out and do that, but we have some makers that we're excited to get into their shops and see kind of behind the scenes a little bit about what it means to be a maker, what's kind of like the day in the life of a shop of a maker. So excited to see how some of that works, get out there, do a little bit more of that type of thing this year, and bring that to you guys in videos so you can kind of see how some makers live their lives and have day-to-day shop life, and kind of how that feels. So that should be really exciting. Hopefully we can get more of that out this year. That's something that we've been wanting to do, and it should be fun. Lastly, really, the main reason why we want to shoot this video is to be able to give you a little bit of update, but just also to tell you how appreciative we are of all the support that you guys have given us, whether that's through subscribing or comments or tips that you've given us or joining the live stream there, and then just also like followers, and just being part of this community has been super humbling and super exciting for us. We're really excited to be here and really excited to be a part of that. And we just want to thank you all so much for watching, for listening, for commenting and being a part of this community and welcoming us in, and all of your support. It means the world to us, and it's why we're here and what we're going to keep on doing from the shop. So thank you all so much. If you haven't already, please make sure you like and subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram, support us on Patreon. It's brought us this far, and we're excited to keep going into the future. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.